Here's a couple of ways of doing this question. The best method, I think, is to use ideas from the topics roots of polynomials, which you may or may not have seen before. It's on further maths. But even if you haven't, you might be able to kind of figure it out from here. I don't know. Anyway, seeing this video might inspire you for any future questions. So this is how I did it. I divided through by 2. Give me x squared minus 11 over 2x plus c over 2 equals 0. And then I thought about factorizing that. Not actually factorizing it, but thinking, right, I'm going to have a root of alpha, for example. So let me say I've got alpha. And then if they differ by 2, let's say the other one's alpha plus 2. I can say alpha is the smaller one, and then alpha plus 2 will be the bigger one. So it'll be x minus alpha times x minus alpha plus 2 that's then equal to this. And I'm going to expand the bracket here. I will get x squared minus alpha x minus alpha plus 2 lots of x. So that'll be minus 2 alpha plus 2 lots of x plus alpha plus 2. And what I can now do is compare coefficients. It must be that 2 alpha plus 2 is equal to 11 over 2. They've both got negatives in front. So 2 alpha is going to be 11 over 2 minus 4 over 2, which gives me 7 over 2, and hence alpha is 7 over 4. And I've worked out both roots that way, actually. Although I don't really need, well, I do need them because now I can compare c over 2 with alpha times alpha plus 2. That will be 7 over 4 multiplied by, okay, I need to now add on 8 over 4, so it'll be 15 over 4. Okay, that's what that will equal, which is going to be, all right, that is actually c over 2. So then c will equal 7 times 15, that's 70 plus 35, 105, over 4 times 4, but then I'm times them by 2, so it's going to be 105 over 8. And this gives us an answer of A. Method 2, let's use the quadratic formula to get the roots in terms of c. And then we'll use the fact they differ by 2. So x will equal 11 plus or minus 11 squared, that's 121, minus 4 times 2, that'd be 8 times c. Square root that, divide by 4. So I'm going to get 11 plus root 121 minus 8c over 4. That's definitely going to be the bigger root. And that, therefore, is going to equal 11 minus root 121 minus 8c over 4. And then I'm adding 2, because I'm told they differ by 2. Nice, we've just got this equation to solve now. I can times through by 4 to make this an 8. And then I can minus 11 from both sides, which will just cancel that there. And then I can add on root 121 minus 8c to both sides to give me 2 lots. Sorry if I did quite a lot in one go there, but we're trying to do this at pace. That's what I'm going to get, which means root 121 minus 8c is going to equal 4. Now I can square. 121 minus 8c is going to equal 16. So 8c is going to equal 121 minus 16. That's going to be 105. And then c, again, is going to be 105 over 8. So yeah, I mean, wasn't much in it. I'd say that I quite like the first approach, but the second approach definitely works well as well.